Ginger and moringa, the miraculous combination that fights many dangerous diseases. For many years these two ingredients have been used to fight all kinds of diseases and have shown excellent results. Research has shown that if these two ingredients are used together in calculated amounts, their effect is significantly better. Ginger aids weight loss by speeding up your metabolism and gastrointestinal system, prevents nausea and vomiting, prevents diseases such as colon cancer and stomach ulcers, and acts as an anti-inflammatory. Moringa, originally from India, Afghanistan, and Pakistan, has remarkable properties and is popular in several different parts of the world due to many reasons. It relieves the symptoms of arthritis. According to many studies, moringa is great at combating pain caused by rheumatoid arthritis. It prevents diseases. Studies have shown that moringa contains numerous anti-cancer compounds, which mainly act against ovarian, liver, lung, and melanoma cancer. These analyses tested moringa's potential beneficial effect on people who suffer from cancer. It protects the heart. Moringa helps keep your intestines from absorbing too much bad cholesterol and prevent the formation of fat buildup in your arteries, thus decreasing the risk of cardiovascular disease. It cures migraines. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, traditional Indian medicine uses moringa leaves to relieve headache and cures migraines. Improves digestion. Due to the amount of fiber it contains, it is beneficial to people suffering from constipation in addition to preventing and helping treat ulcers in the stomach. Protects the liver. Moringa is also widely used to prevent liver infection or to help individuals who want to improve the health of this organ. Against anemia. Moringa, because it has several proteins, vitamins and minerals, is full of nutrients that prevent or combat anemia. Improve circulation. Due to its vasodilator effect, moringa regulates your blood pressure and helps treat hemorrhoids. One way to consume these two wonderful ingredients is to make an infusion. Here's what you do. Ingredients: 10 green moringa leaves, 4 cups of water, 85 grams of fresh ginger, a teaspoon of honey. Start by cleaning the ginger root and cutting it into pieces. Let it boil in the water for 10 minutes. Take the ginger off the stove and add the moringa leaves, cover it and leave it to sit for 5 minutes. Strain the mixture and drink. If desired, add the teaspoon of honey to sweeten it. Drink 1 cup in the morning and another before going to bed. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.